everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the part 3 of creating these sensory flashcards. So after the first two parts of creating a sensory flashcards with just geometric shapes, we are now on to the third part where we'll be creating 4 flashcards using cute animal illustrations. If you have not watched the part 1 and part 2, I'll link it here above and also I'll provide the link in the description for you guys to check it out. Like I told before, it's a very personal project of mine. So I'll also include a small clipping in the end of the video to show you guys how I package the whole DIY cards. We'll be creating 4 animal illustrations. We'll be creating a lion, we'll be creating a bear and a frog and also a pig. Sounds interesting, right? So now let's dive into our video where I'll be creating these illustrations. Without any further ado, let's get started. Card that we'll be creating in this video is the bear. Keep your paper in the portrait format and then draw a curve, and once you're done with that, we'll be drawing the ears for the bear. So we'll be drawing 2 C's on the either side of the head and another curve inside. Just to make sure that both the ears are on the same length, I'm just drawing a guideline from the first ear and drawing the next ear. And once you're done with that, we'll be drawing the mouth. There'll be a bigger circle in the center, and I'll draw an oval and then straight line and a C, making the mouth and the nose of the bear, and we'll draw 2 eyes. So it'll be a smaller circle, and inside that smaller circle we'll be drawing one more smaller circle, so there'll be 2 circles making 1 eye, and we'll be drawing the same on both the sides. Once you're done with that, we'll paint the face of the bear black, leaving the eyes and the mouth area. We'll also be painting the nose black, and using a marker I'll just draw the eyes of the bear and the mouth. Once the paint has dried, we'll just be painting small dots on the face of the bear with white paint, like so. Just keep small dots next to each other. The next up is the frog. Keeping the paper in the landscape format, I'm just drawing a bigger curve on the longer side of the paper. Once I've done with that, I'll be drawing 2 eyes for the frog. I'm just using a pro circle and drawing the eyes. Inside the bigger circle, I'm also drawing a smaller circle, making the eye of the frog. And I'll just draw the mouth and also 3 circles below the mouth. The nose is just going to be 2 rectangles above the mouth. So once you have completed drawing the frog in a pencil sketch, I'll just go over it with my Sharpie pen. As there are small illustrations within the frog's face, I don't want to mess it up, so I'm just drawing it with a black marker, and once I've completed with the black marker, I'll go over it with black acrylic paint. The next illustration that we'll be doing is the line. To draw the line, I'm just marking the center of the paper and drawing a bigger circle covering the whole paper. So we'll be doing alterations to the bigger circle to get the face of the lion. So below the center point, I'm just drawing the nose for the lion, and I'm stretching the nose and I'm adding a little more lines. So once I've marked till that point, I'll be drawing another curve. Now I'm just drawing the face of the lion. I'll draw a smaller eyes next to the nose and also the whiskers. I'm just drawing smaller curves on the bigger circle and next to each other. I'll just do it on either side of the face. Once I'm done with that, I'll just use my Sharpie marker to draw over the pencil line and also start painting it black. To draw the pig, I'm just marking the center of the paper and drawing a bigger circle. I'll just offset the circle a bit more and then draw the ears for the pig. I'm just marking the guidelines so that both the ears are symmetrical. I'll take reference points from the first ear that we drew and draw the next ear. Below the center point, we'll be drawing another circle forming the mouth of the pig. After that, I'll just draw the eyes for the pig. I just want the mouth of the pig to be a little bigger, so I just changed that. I'm using a pro circle to draw the eyes for the pig. So once I've completed drawing the pig using pencil, I'll just go over it with my Sharpie marker and then start painting it black. Now that I have completed drawing and painting all my 12 flashcards, I am just packing it. To make it a little more interesting, I am using my circular edge cutter and cutting the edges of the flashcards curve. Once I am done with that, I am just using a rubber stamp and a black stamp pad. I am just stamping on the back of the flashcards. Stamped all my 12 flashcards. I am just packing it using a tissue paper. I just got this tissue paper from Dollar Tree and I'm packing it with that. I usually don't purchase cardboard boxes to pack my orders or even package my gifts. I'm just reusing a box that I got from my online order and packing it. Now I just have to head to my post office to drop it off. I hope you guys had fun watching this video.